Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing Fortnite PS5 frame drops step by step. Start by powering off your PS5 completely instead of using rest mode. Place your hands on the PS5 power button and hold it until you hear one beep. Now unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of the PS5. Keep your hands steady and also disconnect the PS5 HDMI cable. Wait 30 seconds so the PS5 power cache fully clears. While the PS5 is unplugged, check the PS5 HDMI port using your hand for dust. Gently blow out the PS5 HDMI port to remove loose debris. Now inspect the PS5 HDMI cable ends and clean them with a soft cloth. Plug the PS5 HDMI cable firmly back into the PS5 port. Plug the PS5 power cable back into the PS5 securely. Place your hand on the PS5 power button and turn the PS5 on. When the PS5 home screen loads, open the PS5 settings menu. Scroll through the PS5 settings and select Save Data and Games/App Settings. Inside here, open the PS5 Game Presets section. Set PS5 Performance Mode as the default option. Go back to the PS5 settings menu using your controller. Open the PS5 screen and video settings. Disable 4K on the PS5 to reduce Fortnite PS5 frame drops. Set the PS5 resolution manually to 1080p for stable performance. Now scroll to the PS5 VRR option and enable VRR on the PS5. Return to the PS5 home screen and open Fortnite on your PS5. In Fortnite PS5 settings, go to the Video tab. Turn off motion blur on your Fortnite PS5 setup. Turn off subsurface scattering on Fortnite PS5 settings. Disable ray tracing on Fortnite PS5 for smoother performance. Now lower shadows in the Fortnite PS5 graphics options. Set view distance to medium on Fortnite PS5 for stability. Apply the settings and return to the Fortnite PS5 menu. Close Fortnite and return to the PS5 main screen again. Press the Options button on the PS5 controller while highlighting Fortnite. Choose the PS5 Check for Update option to update Fortnite. After that, open the PS5 settings again. Navigate to the PS5 System Settings for updates. Select System Software Update to ensure the PS5 is fully updated. Restart your PS5 after the update finishes. With the PS5 restarted, hold the PS5 power button for 7 seconds. Keep holding until the PS5 enters safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller with the PS5 USB cable. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database from the PS5 Safe Mode menu. Choose Clear System Software Cache for the PS5. After clearing, select Rebuild Database on the PS5. Let the PS5 complete the process without interrupting it. When the PS5 restarts, return to the PS5 home screen. Launch Fortnite again on your PS5. Move around the Fortnite PS5 lobby to test responsiveness. Load into a Fortnite PS5 match to check frame stability. You should now notice smoother Fortnite PS5 performance. If the PS5 still drops frames, repeat the cleaning and cache steps. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy smooth Fortnite on your PS5.